Welcome to our channel. Today we how to use Zelle with PNC fast setup step by step clearly. To use Zelle with PNC, start by ensuring you have the PNC mobile banking app downloaded and installed on your smartphone. Open the PNC mobile banking app and log in using your credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the Payments menu, usually located at the bottom of the screen. Select Send Money with Zelle from the available options. If it's your first time using Zelle, you'll need to enroll. Follow the prompts to enter your email address or mobile phone number. Choose the account you wish to link for Zelle transactions. You may be asked to verify your identity through a code sent to your phone or email. Input this code to proceed. Once verified, you'll be able to set up Zelle with your chosen email or phone number. Read and accept any terms and conditions presented to complete the enrollment process. After enrollment, you can now start sending and receiving money using Zelle. To send money, go back to the Payments menu and select Send Money with Zelle. Enter the recipient's email address or mobile phone number, followed by the amount you wish to send. Add a note if you'd like to include a message with your payment. Review the details before confirming your transaction. Once confirmed, your payment will be processed almost instantly. To receive money, provide your email or mobile number linked to Zelle to the sender. Monitor your PNC account for incoming Zelle payments that will typically reflect within minutes. If you encounter any issues, refer to the help section within the PNC mobile banking app or contact customer support for assistance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.